Moin, Namaste. This is Anoop.Chandranna, your financial advisor. In our previous videos, we have talked a lot about investments, starting from why to make that investments, what are short-term investments, what are long-term investments, what are the tax benefits. Now, we'll move on to another important topic, insurances. Yes, in Germany, insurances are very important. We all have mandatory health insurance, but what are the other insurances which can make your life easy? We will discuss that. And now in this video, we will discuss some of the basic insurance which most of you already have, but still, I would like to give you more information about that insurance and what can it cover, why one should have it, and what are the benefits of having it, all those things. Now let's begin with our first basic insurance, liability insurance or Haftpflichtversicherung. What does this mean? As the name suggests, it's a liability insurance which protects you against the damages which you cause for the third party properties. Imagine if you cause an accident or if you damage a third person's property, be it your friend's mobile, to your owner's furnitures, or maybe a random stranger's properties, and you have to pay them in euros. That's going to be very costly. It's a huge burden. So for preventing you against all this damages, liability insurance is there. So with this insurance, if you cause any accidents or any damages to any properties of a third party, not yours, third party, it will be 100% covered by this insurance. So briefly, not only the properties, even the physical damage or mental damage caused by you to any other person. For example, you are riding a bicycle and you hit a person who is walking towards his office. You can reimburse that also. His loss of day, his loss of payment, his loss of salary, everything can be insured here provided you have this insurance. Let's talk in detail what is the things which is covered actually in it. Everyone lives in rented apartments, especially when you come initially. So your house keys, your office keys, and when you're helping your friend in moving things and by accident the things fall from your hand and it breaks, that is also covered. And you rent a vehicle and you roam around in Europe, any damages you cause across the globe, it is covered here. And if you run a small business with not more than 22,000 euros per year turnover, then that is also covered. Why this is covered? In case if it's a small business like a courier or something, and for that purpose you need to do some activities. In that activities, if there is anything damaged, then that is also covered. Not only this, the benefit is if you are a single, you are covered. If you are a family, one insurance covers the whole household. So this is highly beneficial for you. And the insurance provider is none other than Generali. So it's a trusted organization in Germany. With this 50 million euros coverage, you have the capability to lead a happy, rest assured life with this insurance. Why 50 million euro? Why can't it be 5 or 10 million? Because when the sum assured is less, the premium is less. But trust me, when it is 50 million euros, God forbid this happens, in case if there is any accident caused by you and there is a loss of life or there is something happened to a person, that will not be covered in other lower sum covered insurances. But here with 50 million euros, you can cover that too. That loss also can be covered. So the premium will depend on your current status, whether you're single or with your family, especially if you have kids. Definitely, kids are prone to break things, especially if it is strangest things, it's always costly for you. So that is also covered here. So naturally, the premium goes high, right? Now we have discussed about liability insurance. Let's have a small quiz. So this is some of the situations. Take a minute, pause it, and see what are the things which can be covered with liability insurance, what are not. Three, two, one. Okay, let's do it from the beginning. So damages to a friend's personal belongings. Of course, it's covered. Friend, or even if he's a best friend, he is a third party to you. So whatever the damage you cause to his properties will definitely be covered. Damages from a large business to its customers. Unfortunately, no. I already told you there is a cap. If your business turnover is more than 22,000 euros per year, it is treated as large business, and hence this liability insurance will not come into that picture. For that, you have other insurance which you can use. And then direct or indirect loss of income. Obviously, yes, I told you. If you hurt a person and he is unable to earn or something like that, its direct or indirect damages will be covered with this because it has a 50 million euro coverage. Damages resulting in physical harm. Yes, it is also covered because whatever the damage, property or the person's damage, everything is covered. Damages caused by you on your wife's laptop. If the wife's laptop is from the company, then it is covered because it's a third party. But your wife is not a third party. She belongs to the same household and she is covered under the same insurance. So that's the reason it won't be covered. So you have to be careful when you are dealing with your own properties. For that, we have another insurance which you will be knowing in my upcoming videos. So this is one of the most basic insurance which almost 70 to 80% of Germans have. What is one more insurance? As you all know that in Europe, when you get a visa, you get a chance to travel all countries. So in Germany, you are protected by that mandatory health insurance. What about if you fall sick or if you meet with an accident outside Germany when you are traveling in Europe? That is where this travel health insurance comes. It is also provided by Generali. What are the benefits? It covers global, not only Europe, global. Even if you go back to your home country, up to 60 days. That is, in case if your travel is more than 60 days, it's not considered as travel. So if it is less than 60 days, it is covered. And all type of medical expenses, not only your dental treatment, your sickness treatment, your medications, your hospitalization charges, everything will be covered. And rest assured, even if it's outside the country, there is no restrictions on particular hospital chain. You can get your treatment from any of the hospitals from your country. It will be reimbursed. All you have to do is get the bill and submit it to the insurance. But no pre-existing disease will be covered here. What does that mean? In case if you already have a disease, for that treatment you're flying to a country and getting it treated, that is not covered. Of course, this will be clearly mentioned by the doctor who's treating you, whether that happened recently or you developed it when you were in Germany itself. And now the most important thing. This is just 16 euros per year. That is 1.33 euros per month. This is the cheapest insurance which you can get, and this will save your life when you are traveling. You need not worry about your medical expenses or anything when you are traveling, even to your home country. That is the benefit of it. So why wait? Please have this two insurance with you. If you are already having it, I hope you know what you can cover and what you can get in this insurance. Thank you for watching this. And for more information on more such insurance, please watch my upcoming videos. For more such financial tips, follow me at Mr. FinTalk. Thank you.